Say goodbye to those pesky mineral deposits. Introducing Q²M WaterSpot, an efficient way to remove fresh watermarks from a car's exterior surfaces. Typically, you would have to pull out a polisher and remove the spots using actual abrasion. Well, this is an alternative method that is much easier, cleaner, and faster. This is a must-have for both detailing studios and DIY detailers. It is safe for bodywork, but you do not want to let WaterSpot dwell on the surface, especially glass. If you want a simplified explanation of this product, just read the benefit icons located on the bottle. And a proper wipe using Q²M Prep is going to be what we recommend to ensure that all of the residue has been removed after you use it. Work in small sections to guarantee that the product never dries on the surface. Also, you never want to let a WaterSpot soaked towel sit on any part of the car.